If you don't like the R3, we can just slowly upgrade you to the double R. Because why not?
I can't believe that thing is 27. That's insane.
Responsibilities.
Beautiful.
That's my name.
Now, if only they made it in an R7.
Right. A little kickstand is weird.
What do you mean by that?
You guys seen my kickstand?
Hers sucks.
Yeah, hers.
It's terrible.
That one's bad.
Look at the gold.
Isn't yours KTM though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The kickstand on it.
Ooh.
Just zooming in and out.
Hey guys. What's up?
Yeah, I love this color.
Oh. Brother. That stock can is so quiet. Look at that color.
I want to sit on it, but it's so cold.
I don't like how it's like kind of matte-like because like oily fingers on there.
Yeah, get that one and that would be a disaster.
Hopefully you're wearing gloves the whole time you're driving.
I left a mark for whoever buys it.
That's an ass thing to do.
It's mine now. You can still see
Find it.
Nice. Sheesh. My boy.
3 months, exactly. June 22nd.
With this helmet on, and now you're showing.
Ooh. How's it feel? It looks good. Just do a burnout real quick.
She's not really good at the braking area.
Oh yeah, you gotta actually do a break-in. Oh no.
Just means for the next week.
Ride
it's
it
gonna
like
be
a
riding
Brom.
every single
I'll
day.
be like, hey Ethan, keep up, and then
Ride it like Bridget.
oh, there you go. That's a break-in.
That's a clean through 20,000 mile.
They do say you're supposed to roll through all your gears though when you're breaking in, so the metal evenly shaves. Because if you're just babying like first and second, you never touch the new gears.
The kid who got the ZX10R, the green one.
Yeah,
I was like, you need to like.
you gotta go
you
through
gotta run
every
it,
gear.
dude.
Like if
And
the
he's like,
motor's
no, I
not
don't
used to
wanna go up there.
chopping,
I'm like, come on, man.
that's dumb. That's so dumb. That's like shooting a gun and only going through half the clip
And
before
then being
reloading.
like, oh, I need to reload.
Yep,
Go
reload.
through the clip,
Yeah.
dude. Because he only went into like third.
Yeah, that's
And I was
dumb.
like, dude.
Oh, what was that?
No, this is the.
Dang, that looks nice. Oh yeah.
He's got all this gravel to go past. Why is he shooting for him?
Because Ethan is swerved towards him.
You could smell the new fucking parts.
Dude, but it smells so good.
Tip was like, is that your truck? And I was like, I hope not.
No, it's the bike, dude. I like the bike.
The warning lights?
It pops a little.
Yeah, it does. Oh, yeah.
Dude, I'm surprised it even pops.
I like the little running light right here.
Yeah, dude, I'm gonna do like the
You're doing all the red shit.
I'm gonna do aftermarket ones that actually have runners in it.
Sheesh. Oh. Oh yeah.
The greatest part is it won't die.
Sweet baby race.